Hello guys, let's sew this towel. I'm going to use Paradise 4 yards. So I'm going to fold this according to my back measurement plus my sleeve length. So my back is 16 divided by 2 is going to be 8. 8 plus the sleeve length 13 inches. So the width of the fabric is 8 plus 13. Okay, now I'm measuring the length of the fabric. I measured 36. So that is the length I want is 35 plus 1, 36 for sewing allowance. So 8 plus 13 is going to be at the end of the day 21. Do you get it? So let's cut it out. So the width is 21. So if you open up, it's going to be 42. Do you get it? Now I'm marking the back measurement, which is 8 inches, and then this is where the 13 is. So I'm marking my neck width 3 inches, neck deep for the back 1 inch. Then I'm going to join the points. So we'll first cut the back part of this dress before we'll cut the front. Now I'm measuring my bust point, which is 12 inches from shoulder to the bust point is 12 inches. Do you get it? And then I'll mark shoulder slope as well. So I'm going to join from the shoulder slope to the neck width point. Do you get it? To the neck width. So this is it. Okay, so let's draw the bust point line also. I already have this dress, the tutorial on my channel. I used bridal organza or bridal organza for it. So here I'm marking my measurement. That is my hip divided by 4 plus 4 inches. So the hip is 48 divided by 4 is going to be 12 plus 4, and that's going to be 16. So I marked it from the bust point to the length of the dress. Here I marked 4 inches, and then I just have to draw the armhole shape. So that is it for the back. So I went ahead to cut the neck for the back, and then the shoulder slope. Yes, the shoulder slope. So the measurement is your back measurement, shoulder to shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus your sleeve length. Do you get it? That is what will determine the width of the fabric. So this is it for the back, and we are going to use this to cut for the front. So I have folded it and then placed it on the front part, and so the side of the dress, that is the back, face the folding part of the front. You see a hand, and then the folding part, that is where the folding part of the back, the excess fabric is from there. I hope you understand. So look at it very well. Now this is where we are going to get the length we need to make the crisscross design in front. Do you get it? So you need the length, the excess should be at least 30 inches. So I'm marking the 30 inches. Unfortunately, the camera didn't capture that part, but you will see the markings very soon. So 30 inches. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to draw a straight line. A straight line, and then I'm going to, since the length of the dress is 36 that I measured, I'm going to measure 18 inches. That is 36 divided by 2. Do you get it? So this is 18 inches that I'm marking all through to the back of the dress. Okay, yes, to get to that point. So in case you don't understand anything, you can pause it and then watch it. I'm going to leave a video or the link to the first video that I made. So I'm going to draw the line also. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Now I'm marking out the back on the front so that I can get the markings right, and I'm marking the neck for the front. I marked 8 inches. So this is where the point is going to be for the front, 8 inches. So I'll lift the back a little, and I'm going to join it to the 8 inches. That's going to be a V-neck shape. A V-neck shape. Do you get it? 8 inches. So this is it. And then I'm going to draw this shape to meet the v-neck shape or the 8 inches, you see. So draw a curve like what I'm doing in the video, you see. Exactly so. And let it meet at the point, the 8 inches point. Okay, and so this is it. So we'll go ahead to cut it out. Okay. And so this is it. I hope this is very simple. You can refer to my first video for more details if you are not getting this. Okay, you can also decide to pause it and then watch it again. Okay, or reverse and then watch it again. So let's cut it out. Okay. And so let's cut the side also out. So as I said, this fabric is 4 yards. If you use 3 yards with the kind of measurement I used, you are going to end up joining to get that length, 30 inches length for the crisscross. So I placed the back down with the correct side facing up, and then the front side also placed on top, correct side meeting each other. And I'm going to sew at the shoulder, and then what I'm going to do is to fold the sleeve side and then iron on top. So my sleeve length 13, I added extra 2 inches because I was going to fold. But if you know you are not going to fold, and you just do overlock to lock the ends or to knit the ends, you don't need to add extra. So it's the same thing I'm going to do. Fold the sleeve side and then iron on top. Then what I'm going to do is to come to the down part here. Now at the side, I'm also going to join it by 1/2 inch. Just join it by 1/2 inch, and that is okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this side also. Join it by 1/2 inch, then get to the down, and I'm going to fold the down part also this way, iron on top, and then fold it again the second time, iron on top, and then sew all through. Okay, fam, so this is it. I'm done joining. Now we are going to do the crisscross of the dress. Okay, that is the main thing. So this is the excess ones that we are going to crisscross it. So open it up this way, let the correct side face each other this way, and then sew the middle. Okay, in the first video that I made for this style, I showed 2 ways of achieving this. So this is one of the ways. You can refer to that video to get the second point or the second way of making this. So after you sew it, and this is how it's going to be, then you are going to fold it on top this way. So after folding it this way, now you are going to turn it. See, hold it, turn it this way, cross it, or I said turn it, cross it like the way I did. You can go back and watch it again, and then you are going to attach it to the neck. You are going to fold the neck into 2, the back neck into 2, get the middle part equally. Okay, so I created a notch, and then the folding that you've done, okay, so turn it and then attach it to the middle, from middle to middle, just like the way you attach your collar or your collar to your dress neck. So it's just going to be like giving a shirt collar to this dress, and then you are going to sew it all through to a point where you cannot sew again, and then get to the other side, and also arrange it very well. So you're going to have 3 fabrics together that you are going to sew on top, you see, like this. And that is it. So this is it, fam. I'm done joining everything. So this is it. So when you are wearing this or you are ironing, you are going to open it up this way and then iron it very well. So I'll wear this for you to see the end results on me. Okay. So fam, this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for being part. This is the down part, you see. So you get your crisscross perfectly, no stress at all. And so you're going to see me in this dress. Okay, so this is it. This is me. I did black for this dressing. So fam, thanks so much. Subscribe for me and share. Bye bye.